We all have heard about the glorious invincible season Arsenal had in 03-04. Although, if you think I'm going to talk about that Arsenal side, then you're wrong. Yes, they were prolific and managed to pull off something that hasn't been repeated yet. But that very Arsenal side often gets tagged of being the only invincible team in English football. And that's not exactly true. Back in 1888-89, the first season of the Football League was played, which eventually became the Premier League in 1992. In that season, the league winners won 18 and drew 4 games, resulting in an invincible season, more than a century before Arsenal did it. But why haven't you heard of this team? And why are Arsenal considered the only invincibles of the Premier League? Here's why. In 1888, a bunch of teams from England came together to form the English First Division. The division was joined by a few Welsh teams in the coming years, and in the years to follow, this loosely formed league became what we know as the English League system today. Back then, Preston North End were in mad form, making the FA Cup final in 1888 and beating teams left, right and centre with their 2-3-5 formation. Yes, that means having 5 players in forward positions. Many would argue that Preston played lesser games compared to Arsenal. In terms of league games, yes, that's true. But North End were always playing a friendly here and there. Adding to that is the fact that they had pretty much the same squad every game with no room for shuffles. And back in 1888, travel wasn't as good as in 2002. So add that in the list as well. More importantly, Preston won the 1888-89 FA Cup without conceding a single goal. A couple of days after that, they played a friendly and won. Preston and Arsenal played in completely different eras, and in many ways, it's almost impossible to compare them. One thing that they had in common was the fact that they didn't dominate for long. For Arsenal, it was a very competitive league to dominate, and for Preston, it was the dawn of a golden age. Preston managed to win the 1889-90 season as well, but everything went downhill since then. A FA Cup in 1938 was the last piece of silverware for the club. In the 1960-61 season, Preston dropped to the second tier, and in 69-70, a drop to the third tier almost vanished the memories of once invincible club from the global stage. Since then, Preston has been yo-yoing between the second and third tiers of English football, having never earned a promotion to the top flight. Terrible finances also threatened their existence at least twice in their modern history. Currently, the club is in the EFL Championship, which is the second tier of English football. They have been terribly close to promotion playoffs in the last 2 seasons and have certainly punched above their weight. Arsenal, in every respect, is the only invincible team of the Premier League era, but a forgotten legacy doesn't make Preston North End any less invincibles. If you liked this video, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.